Today we're going to go over the map overlay function within Google Analytics. The map overlay function allows you to see where your visitors are coming from a geographical location. To get to it, it's under the visitors menu item and it's the third option down and it's called map overlay. You can see here that we can hover over the screen and see where a majority or the least amount of visitors are coming from. This graph down on the bottom left indicates that the light green shows the least amount of visitors and the dark green indicates the most amount of visitors. In our case, Australia is giving us the most amount of visitors for this particular month. When you hover over a country, it will actually tell you the country that these people came from. So you can see here United States or Argentina and different countries around the world. If we scroll down, you can see that you can segment this information by continent, subcontinent or region, by the country or territory, and even better, by city. If we click on city, what you'll find is that the information now given is drilled down to a particular city. So you can see here Brisbane has given me 79 visits, Sydney 107, and Melbourne 73. So what's this information good for? Well, let's say for example you had advertising on your website or you were selling advertising on your website. You can then drill down and look at where your visitors are coming from and approach advertisers in those cities if they target a particular geographical area. It's also handy to know where your visitors are coming from. I'm targeting the Australian market and I can see that a majority of my visitors are coming from Australia, which pleases me. I can see that we get some of our visitors from other countries, but a majority of those are from Australia, which is the target market that I'm approaching. If you're targeting a local area, for example the Sunshine Coast or Brisbane or South Sydney, you can actually see where your visitors are coming from. This is particularly handy if you run a business or provide a service or a product that services a geographical area. For example, you might be a pizza shop that only has a 10k radius that people come for pizzas. To add this map overlay to your dashboard, it's a simple case of scrolling up to the top of your analytics window and clicking Add to Dashboard. That would then be added to your dashboard and displayed in any scheduled reports that you have coming through.